Hey, what's up, everyone? Today I got another question, and that is I'm trying to keep my ad on absolute top of the page, but it's always no showing not applicable. Any help with Google Ads? Okay, so first of all, look around on your bidding strategy. Okay, what people do is people focus on maximize conversions or clicks and increase their budget to get that top position, but that is not the correct strategy. Let me share with you a correct strategy, and that is first of all go over for, let's say this is an account, and let's say I pick up one of the ad groups over here. Okay, now let's move on to this campaign. For instance, all campaigns over here, and let's say if I pick up any campaign, what I have to do. For instance, if I move on to this client, I'm just showing you an example. So for instance, this is the campaign. What I have to do, select this campaign, come over here, okay, and over here you are seeing the maximize conversion, change bid strategy, change on to impression share, and change over here to absolute top of the result page. Okay, and now in case it's still not showing, what you have to do is you have to write over here 100% impression. Okay, to get the most out of the top position, you have to work over here and get the 100% impression share of the bit. And for the start, you have to have a higher CPC limit, and then you can reduce. So at start you have to start you also have to have a higher CPC budget limit, and that eventually you can reduce on, but right now you need to have a higher CPC budget to be amount to be entered over here. Now I suggest you to work on SKAG. SKAG is a single keyword ad group. Okay, so it means that you are going to create a new ad for every keyword. Okay, what this can do is this can improve your quality score, and if possible you also need to have a dedicated landing page, okay, for every keyword or for a group of keywords. With those keywords and those theme and that theme. Okay, so because we can send a Google a message of a relevancy that we are quietly relevant. Okay, what happens is that when you have a higher relevancy, your quality score will improve, and once your quality score will improve, your CPC cost will go down. Okay, once the CPC cost will go down, now it will be easier for you to maintain absolute top result of the page, because in case if it's still 100% and you are not able to get the most out of the absolute top result, is because your CPC is not okay. There's another thing which I want to tell you, that in case if you change your campaign from maximize conversion or any other type to absolute top of the result page, there's also one thing you need to work on, and you have to wait around 48 hours for this campaign to affect. So you have to wait, because it's not like you change the campaign and you will start seeing the traffic. You have to wait, because this is a campaign type and this is a different campaign type, and it takes time to start getting traffic. So in case if you change the type and you are expecting certain traffic, no, it takes time. For majority of the campaigns I got after 24 hours, and for some it takes 48 hours and some even more. So what I usually have done for the clients is I put this on Friday, and usually we don't run ads for majority of the clients on weekends. Yeah, restaurants are exceptions. There are a few case studies where we run ideally for weekends. Okay, but for the time when we are not running ad, I'm going to shift to that, so that our time doesn't get wasted. So I put that campaign on a Friday, so that by Monday it gets activated. Even it takes sometime Tuesday to get traffic if it's a new campaign and your website has no data. So yeah, follow these strategies, and also look around for ad casuals or any issues, like because you said that you are not getting impressions, is maybe that you have put your ad on a specific time frame, like I do not want or check out on your bidding for devices. Maybe unknowingly you reduced your bidding for devices by 100%, and you are like, I'm not getting traffic, but actually what you did is you reduced traffic from mobile devices. And even now, the main source of the traffic for major companies is mobile, so that can be another issue. So check on your bidding for devices separately as well. So for instance, if you have to check, you have to move over here and check for devices over here to see for any issues you go, because people unknowingly do bid adjustment to over here. And also check for ad schedules to see in case if your ads are eligible to show for your targeted times or for majority of the times. That can be another reason as well. So yeah, these are the few things which I thought could be cause your ad to not show. I hope you like the video, and did I answer your question? In case if you have any questions, comment, suggestions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box, and I will be happy to answer or even create a video on these. And make sure to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss a video whenever I create. Once again, thank you for watching, and bye bye.